Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Vic's Garage. As you can see, it's mid-November. My mustache is coming in good for November fundraising, and we've got our first snowfall outside. So it's a little chilly in here. Got the sawzall ready. We're gonna start cutting out the roll cage in the car and get the remaining interior pieces out. So without wasting any further time, I got the space heater already going, got my sweater on, and we're just gonna get going and get into this. So let's get started. Okay, so we got the cage out. I was gonna get a cutoff disc for a grinder or something and try to cut those flat and flush with the floor. But the more I think about it, the more this front floor pan is likely going to get replaced. So for now, I think I'm just going to leave them in place where they are and deal with them at a later date. So we're just going to get going now and taking the remainder of the interior pieces out, mainly the kick panels and door panels, headliner, and all that. So let's get to it. I got my headliner out of the car here, and I do know on these bow type headliners, they color coat the bows to help you with the installation so you know which ones go where. I'm not an expert on it by any means, but I do notice that like on one side it's green and gray, and then the ones in the middle there, they're red on the driver's side, and then green on the passenger side. So given that the coloring isn't consistent and that the headliner was decently fitted prior, I'm just going to go down and label them from front to back. So this being the front end of the car, driver's side, I'm going to just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. That way I know that the side with the tape will be the driver's side and the number and position. So that way when I get my next headliner, it'll be easy to put them right back in the same spot. Alright guys, there you have it for another episode of Vic's Garage. Got the interior all out, headliner, roll cage all cut up. Everything looks basically the same as we were talking last time in regards to the front section of the floor. Still needing a bit of work. The rears look pretty solid overall. A few small things like the nut for one of the passenger side seat belts seems to have broken off from the weld and it's just kind of spinning, but we'll deal with that when we get to that. Otherwise, I think that's about it for today. We're going to start wrapping up. I'll clean up in here and start putting stuff away. If you like this and enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Throw a comment down in the comment section. I'll try to answer your questions. Maybe next time we'll look at starting to get the powertrain out of the car. So until the next episode, take it easy guys. Have a good day.